Welcome to the Integrato Quick Bytes series, where we cover Business Central and Microsoft 365 how-tos, tips, and new features in less than 5 minutes. I'm your host, Lamont Broomfield, an Associate Functional Consultant here at Integrato, a direct Microsoft partner and cloud solutions provider. Today, we'll be discussing copying production environments using the Microsoft Business Central Admin Center. Now, before I show you all how to copy environments, let's discuss why would you want to copy a production environment in the first place? A good reason would be for testing new features, customizations, or updates. It can also be used for training team members, new and old, providing them with a safe environment to get familiar with BC's functionalities. And it can also be a part of your disaster recovery plan, ensuring that you have a recent and working environment should anything go wrong. Now, let's go ahead and hop in the system, and I'm going to show you guys how to copy those environments. So as you guys have noticed, we're now inside the Dynamics 365 Business Central Admin Center. So let's go ahead and drill into our production environment, and we're going to go over to the top ribbon, and we're going to select the copy function. Now what this is going to do is this is going to open up the copy environment pop-up window, and now we can just insert a new environment name as well as change the environment type. So we're going to change this over to Sandbox. And once you've completed that, all you'll have to do is just click copy down here, and that's going to create a copy of this production environment underneath your new environment name. And that's it. That's all you'll have to do is just drill into production, hit copy, give it a new environment name, and then go ahead and change that environment type to Sandbox, and then hit copy. Thanks for stopping by. If you want to get more Business Central tricks, tips, how-tos, and updates on new features, like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell to turn on notifications. For more information regarding Integrato or to get more information on training and support, please visit integratotech.com or check out the links below. Thank you.